Distractions aren't stealing your time. They're stealing your future. Today, you'll learn the daily habits that give you your focus back permanently. If you're done being pulled in every direction, subscribe now. This channel trains the focus that success demands. 10 daily habits that eliminate distractions. 1. Decide your one priority. Before the day starts. When everything matters, nothing moves. One clear target silences mental noise. 2. Touch your phone with intention, not reflex. Every unconscious check fractures focus. Intentional use restores control. 3. Work in defined focus blocks. Open-ended work invites interruption. Boundaries create intensity. 4. Eliminate one physical distraction daily. Clutter competes for attention. Less chaos equals more clarity. 5. Start before you feel ready. Waiting for the right moment fuels delay. Action shuts distractions up. 6. Silence notifications during deep work. Alerts hijack attention instantly. Silence protects momentum. 7. Write down distracting thoughts. Capture them, don't chase them. This frees the mind to stay present. 8. Do the hardest task first. Avoidance multiplies distraction. Courage collapses it. 9. Schedule time for shallow tasks. Emails and messages have a place. They don't deserve your best hours. 10. End the day by resetting your environment. A prepared space invites focused action tomorrow. Order creates calm.